We have made some really big changes, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Maybe it's just me, but it feels like there's less of everything lately. But what if there were a way to have a little bit more? What if there were more patterns, more support, more opportunities, more ideas, more time? Wouldn't that be great? Now, you might have stumbled across us initially because of our very famous $5 or $6 Feature Fridays. Throughout the years, these have evolved, and we're making some changes. When Feature Fridays first started at Love Notions, they were pretty small, and they were once in a while. They weren't regular at all. We might take a special pattern and give it some time to shine in the spotlight for just a little bit. Maybe we'd do a blog post about it. Maybe they were like once a month. Well, that strategy evolved over the years, and we became famous for having a special price on a special feature pattern for one day only. And people loved this. We have had such great success. And I think part of it is because of that structure of having something special on sale that gives people ideas and inspiration, and it just kind of gets their sojo going for a new pattern. So we have done that for ages and ages and ages, and we're changing it up. So if you tuned in with us in May, we did a $5 pattern of the day, and we had so much fun doing it. But it was quick. You just had a very short amount of time to get that pattern, and then it was gone. And so we decided to do a little bit of an experiment with this next month or two and try a different strategy. Because in a world where everything seems quicker and less value and less opportunity and time, we thought maybe it would be good to stretch that out a little bit and give people a little bit more time, opportunity, ideas, resources as they sow. So let me tell you what we decided to do. We are changing from having a one-day Feature Friday pattern to having a 2-week feature pattern collection. This means there will be more time, more patterns, more inspiration, ideas, and support for this event. Our first collection that we're doing as a feature is our Summer and Swim collection. And I'm going to get into all of the patterns that we're going to be featuring at a very special price and talk a little bit more about those details. But I wanted you to understand the reason behind that and why we're trying a new approach. Basically, we want to slow down and take our time to think through some of these patterns and give more patterns in the collection and more resources and ideas for sewing these patterns. Because it's one thing to just add a pattern into your downloads, it's another to actually work with it. And so we wanted to slow down and take our time and really let the pattern shine and give you lots of support, ideas, and choices when it comes to the patterns that you collect. We really value the time, energy, and money that you put into sewing with Love Notions. And we think that just taking a little bit of a moment to focus and to let the collection breathe a little bit, we think that might be good for all of us. So you can head to the description box below and find all of the links for each of the patterns in our Summer and Swim collection. But keep in mind that they will only be on sale for the length of this event, which will be ending on June 18th. So you can add one here or there. You can load up your cart all at once, or you can do it however you prefer when it comes to adding any of these patterns into your collection. But after that June 18th timeframe, they will no longer be on this special. We really hope that you strike while the iron is hot when it comes to this collection. We hope that having a little bit more time will let you add in as many as you prefer and get exactly what you need. So let's talk about what's inside of our Summer and Swim collection of patterns. The first pattern in the collection is Clearwater Summer Essentials. This is a full collection of sewing patterns. It is great for swimwear. It has a swim dress. It has a tankini. It has briefs. It has shorts that you can wear for swim or athletic reasons. It has a sports bra or a bikini top. So this sewing pattern is available in both digital and print. Sewing swim is a great challenge to tackle during this time of the year, and I think you will find it really rewarding. What I love about this pattern is that you can use it not only to sew the more, potentially challenging swim fabric with, but you can also use it with just like cotton lycra and make a cute little top for going to play pickleball. So there's a lot that you can do with the Clearwater Summer Essentials pattern. It is available for both ladies sizing as well as kid sizing. So here is the kid version of this pattern. It's a cute girls pattern, and it has all of the pieces that the ladies version has, from the swim dress, tankini top, the bikini top, briefs, and the biker shorts. I've sewn many pieces inside of the Clearwater Summer Essentials collection. I have a cute little bikini set here, which was actually my first bikini set that I've ever sewn. And I love how the briefs have a really high waistband. It's very, very, very comfortable and kind of hides all those wobbly bits that I might not want to display. And the sports bra or bikini top is really supportive and comfortable as well. I have also sewn another piece of a two-piece separates in this amazing fabric from Discovery Fabrics. It's kind of like a cool peacock print. I have also sewn a really great swim or workout set here. I have briefs that match this, as well as biker shorts that match this, so I can kind of pick and choose what I want to wear. I really like the built-in bra part of this swim dress or workout dress, and I love the princess seams in the front and the back. It's such a great part of the pattern. One of the other things that I think is really amazing about our collection that we have here is that we're giving a special price to a support that comes for Clearwater. And one of the courses that we have is called Clearwater Swim Sewing Course. And you can pick this up for $15, which is $10 off its regular price. It goes over how to use swim elastic and install swim elastic. It helps you figure out your fabric choices, talking about lining. It talks about the steps for sewing those seams and getting a really great finish. And I think it's really valuable if you've never sewn with swim before. It's amazing to have a step-by-step visual video that takes you through every single section in modules that you can just click off as you go. It's the print pattern for Clearwater, the ladies version of Clearwater, the kids version of Clearwater, as well as the course. So that's a huge amount inside of the collection, but we're not done yet. We also decided to add another kids pattern inside there, and that's the kayak board shorts. This is a swim pattern or a athletic pattern that for kids, it's available in sizes 2T to 14. It has an incredible cute little waistband with drawstring ties. It has a really fun detail on the side to just really step up your game when it comes to creating a great little set for the summer. For the waistband, you can use a swim knit fabric, and for the shorts body, you can use a board short fabric, or you can use like an athletic type of woven fabric. You can even use some heavier weight like athletic knits as well. Our pattern that we're putting inside of the collection is actually two, and that is our summer basics tank and dress. And this is a tank top style sewing pattern that has a built-in bra option. It has a lovely neckline binding and arm side binding. It has a maxi length, a knee length, and as well as a tank length. And it also is available in print, so you can get this full pattern sent to you for $18 plus shipping. So it's a $5 savings on our regular print patterns, and I don't think that you can send off the pieces of this for less than that and get it from a traditional printer. So if you like having your patterns printed for you, this is a great deal. And then lastly, the final pattern in the collection that I want to talk about today is our summer Caye bottoms. The summer Caye bottoms are a wide leg shorts, capris, and palazzo pants pattern. It has two widths, a regular wide length leg, as well as a wider palazzo pant. There's also shorts with cuffs, and my favorite part is the cute little like tulip front, where you've got like these overlapping kind of cuff piece at the front that just is such a pretty design. I love it for the kids version as well, and that is also on sale. So I've made mine in a heavier weight knit, but they are a pant pattern that is designed to be made with lightweight wovens, but you can play around with them a little bit as well. So look at all the pattern details for summer Caye bottoms for ladies as well as girls. So how many patterns is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's like 6 patterns. There's 2 print patterns as well as a course that are all on sale right now as part of our feature pattern collection. So I really hope that you go take a look at what's available there. And throughout the next 2 weeks, we're going to be offering some more reminders of resources that we have, some more sewing inspiration. We'll probably do some live sewing. So now I have a question for you. And I really hope that you leave me a comment in the comment section below. But what sewing resources do you want to see related to our summer swim collection? Do we need to do a post about fabric, about sewing swim, about tips and tricks, about making capsule wardrobes? We kind of picked these patterns with the idea that they could form like a vacation capsule wardrobe. So really curious to hear what requests do you have as far as content for our summer and swim collection? Please leave me a comment below about what you want to see more of from this channel and from our ambassadors. One of the reasons why we decided to change the time frame for our Feature Friday process was to give the ambassadors more time to create inspiring content. They do such an amazing job, but we thought it would be nice to give them a little bit more time to put things together and offer those resources to you as well. So give me a big list below of ways that you'd like to see us tackle this collection and what you would find helpful and valuable for sewing these summer pieces and swim. So that's the details about our big company update. I hope that this doesn't take you off guard. I hope that this is definitely valuable for you and makes your process when it comes to collecting patterns and using them better. Instead of less, we want to offer more. And when we make changes, we want to make sure that they're good for our community, number one. So stick around. Keep following, subscribe, like this video. Make sure that you instruct your feeds that you want to see more from Love Notions, and we will be sure to offer it to you. So thank you for sewing with us at Love Notions, and we hope that you have a great 2 weeks for our summer swim collection. Bye.